Yes. Now we will see the third part of the polynomials. Okay. I have already told you that polynomial, okay, it is coefficient, variable, and the hats, the power, the degree of the, this power is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay. And remember this, the polynomial will be how to identify if the degree, the power should be always a whole number. That means it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this only. If we have 1 and half, half, 3 and half, like this the power, it is because they are not whole numbers, then this term it cannot be called as a polynomial. Let us see this one, understand this with the pictures. See this picture now. How many hats are here? There are 2 hats. So the power or the degree of this polynomial is 2. Always see whether the hats are fully there or not. Okay, these 2 hats are full. That means if a hat is torn, I will show you in the next pictures. If a hat is having only half, okay, that we cannot call it as a polynomial. So this we can call it as x square or y square or t square, z square, whatever it is, with the in the different variables. So these 2 hats are in full. So this is a whole number. Since 2 is a whole number, this one we can take it as a polynomial. Okay, understood? Yes. See this photo now. Here the hat has become 3 pieces. Okay. Can we call it as a full hat? No. Okay. So this is not a whole number. This is 1 by 3. I tell you, if you say cube root of x is there. Okay. How we can write it as x to the power of 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is not a whole number. So this one cannot become a polynomial. Okay, you understood? I'll again show it to you in different on the board also. Okay, so anything it should be a whole number. Let us see this x square. Okay, x square, the power is 2. That means there are 2 hats. The 2 hats are full. Okay, this is a whole number. So this is a polynomial. Polynomial in x variable. Okay, right. Let us see cube root of x. We know that cube root of x, we can write it as x to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, so 1 by 3. Let us say one hat has become 3 pieces. Okay, can we say this is a hat? It's not a full hat. So 1 by 3, in the similarly 1 by 3 is not a whole number. So x to the power of 1 by 3 or cube root of x is not a polynomial. You understood? Yeah. Now let us see this. X plus 1 by x. Is this a polynomial or not? 1 by x we can write like this, no? X plus x to the power of minus 1. Okay, is minus 1. Can you imagine a negative hat? Minus hat. No, no. So this 1 minus 1 is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. You know it now? Polynomial, we should have a whole number. Now let us see which is the polynomial, which is not a polynomial. X square, this number is a whole number. So this is a polynomial. Okay. Now this one, x to the power of 1 by 3, this is not a polynomial because this is not a whole number. In the same way, this is not a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. Okay, yes. Now you answer my question. Is root x is a polynomial or not? Okay. Root x means how we'll write x to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Can we say if a hat become two pieces, can we call it as a hat? It's no more a hat. It's a two pieces already. So root x is not a polynomial. Now let us see what is the number here. It is 0, 7. That means say 7. Whether 7 is a polynomial or not. Yes, 7 is also a polynomial, but it is called as a constant polynomial. Okay, because we can write this as 7 into x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this we can write into 7 into x to the power of 0. So it is equal to 7. So this is a constant polynomial. So the constant polynomial 0 is called the zero polynomial. That means every number, let it be 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, every one is also a constant polynomial. Now we will be seeing this in the next higher classes. Okay, and let us see if -5, -3, -6, even it may be number is -5. That means -5 into x to the power of 0. Okay, so even the number is -5, -6, -7, they are also called as constant polynomials. Okay, remember a polynomial, we are concentrating only on the hat, the power of the number, power or the degree. Okay.